Hey, let me show you all box accessories that you can find in your POCO X6 Pro. This one actually comes from the European distribution. So first of all, with this yellow box, we will actually find the SIM tool, and inside we are able to find some paperwork. So that's the safety information, that's the warranty card, and this is the silicone case. It's actually flexible. We got quick access into the USB port, to the speaker, to the headphone jack, to the AR blaster and top speaker. Next, we can also find charger. This is 67-watt charger. That's the USB-A input, and we can also find cable, and that's the USB-C into the USB-A cable. Let me quickly show you. There we go. That's the USB-C and that's the USB-A. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel.